Okay, so what you started is you started correctly. So you have your a sine theta plus b cos theta. You expand this r sine theta cos alpha, correct, plus r cos theta sine alpha. Now equate the coefficient of sine theta. So your a is equal to r cos alpha cos theta. So your b is equal to r sine alpha, correct? Now you have to find r in terms of theta and alpha, r and alpha in terms of a and b. So this is 1 and 2. You square and add. You square a square plus b square is equal to r square cos square alpha plus r square sin square alpha. I'm squaring and adding 1 and 2. So I'm squaring and adding 1 and 2. So therefore a square plus b square is equal to r square. You remove cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. So r square is equal to r square. This is 1. So therefore r is equal to what? Root of a square plus b square. Now they have to, I'm not putting plus or minus because they have to mention that your r is positive.
So but how do you know that to add to square and add?
How do you know? So you have your cos alpha and sin alpha. Generally when cos alpha and sin alpha you square and add because they add up to 1. Okay. Now what you do is this is 1. So r in terms of, now how do you get theta in terms of alpha in terms of that? You divide. Divide 2 upon 1. So you have r sin alpha, r cos alpha. You divide 2 by 1. So 2 is equal to b, a, r and r cancels.
So why 2 by 1?
So because you get tan alpha, because your sin upon cos is tan. Okay, therefore alpha is equal to what? Tan inverse b upon a. What will I do in this case is to find the maximum value, I'll combine these two functions. I'll combine 4 sine theta plus 3 sine cos theta into single function. So you compare this, so this is like your a and this is your b, correct now? A sine theta. So therefore your r will be root of 4 square plus 3 square. So r will be 5, correct? Alpha will be what? Tan inverse 3 upon 4. So that means if I combine this.
I'm so confused. How did you compare that to A? Oh, got it.
See here, this part I'm comparing with this.
Yeah, this is one.
So your A is this 4. Yeah. Correct? And your B over here is 3. So I'm comparing this. So I'm getting a value of A and B and I'm combining this into a single function. So I can get, so that would be 5. What will it become? R sine, so 5 sine theta plus alpha, where alpha is equal to tan inverse 3 upon 4. Correct? R, no, this is your R sine theta plus alpha. I'm combining two functions into a single function. So I have to now take a decision of single function only. Now what is the maximum value of sine? What is the maximum value of sine? 1. So maximum value of sine. So maximum value of this entire function will be 5 plus 5 into 1. Maximum value will be 10. R is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. To combine these two functions into a single function. The whole idea is we are combining your a sine theta plus b cos theta into a single sine function. So I'm combining these two functions into a single sine function. And this is 1. Yeah. So this is important sum, right? It is very, very important.